Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
By the way, my name is Anh. Nice to meet you.
My name is Chan. Nice to meet you too.
So your name is Chan, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Nice name.
Thanks. Your name's good too.
Thanks. How old are you?
I'm 19 years old.
So you're 19 years old, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Where do you come from, Chan?
I come from Nghiêm Province.
So you come from Hưng Yên province, don't you?
Yes.
How long have you been here?
I've been here for a year.
So you've been here for a year, haven't you?
Yes.
Do you miss the family?
Yes, I do. I miss them very much.
Very much.
Right.
How often do you visit your family?
Every 2 weeks. I visit my family every 2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks.
Yes.
How far is it from here to the house?
About 60 kilometers. It's about 60 kilometers from here to my house.
About 60 kilometers.
Yes.
How do you usually go home?
By coach. I usually go home by coach.
By coach?
Yes.
How much does it cost you to go home by coach?
About 70,000 Vietnam đồng. It costs me about 70,000 Vietnam đồng to go home by coach.
About 70,000?
Yes.
And how long does it take you to get there?